Chitrakoota has got wonderful 10th standard CBSE results, and we are very honored to meet the two toppers of our school, who is Pranav P. Kamath, who has scored 98% in his board exams, and that is Mayur Prakash J, who has scored 97% in his board exams. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
So
you.
I know that you have really put a lot of effort to score this, and what do you think about your percentage or marks?
Obviously, I'm really happy to have scored great marks, and I would like to thank the school and all the teachers for helping me, and all my friends, of course, who were there in completing all the projects on time and motivating me to do well.
Very nice. So what about you, Mayur? What do you think about your
Well, I'm too excited, ma'am. I am very happy with the marks that I've got. And I would like to thank all my teachers, the ayas, the non-teaching staffs, and of course my dear friends for being a part of this wonderful journey.
Okay. So what do you both think? Since both of you are just a percent, difference of your scoring, what do you think has really helped you to score this much?
So I think at first it was my motivation to do well, and it wasn't just about marks in the beginning. It was just about like increasing my knowledge and aptitude for learning, and so I just went along that, and I cultivated good habits, and I think that was the key to securing good marks.
That's wonderful, and I think that's very important for our upcoming juniors also, that marks is not that is the only objective. We are looking out for an upcoming overall attitude of the exam as such. What about you, Mayur?
Ma'am, our competition was like friendly from the start. So yeah, this competition it was the main thing that like drove us to perform better than what we did yesterday, and I believe this is what like made us achieve what we have done today. And our marks also like is a proof of what we have done.
That's nice. But what do you think? What do you like to tell your peers about, or probably your juniors, that this one thing could really help for your board exams? What do you think would be the technique, or what do you think you want to suggest them?
Ma'am, I would like to say to them that like you have to like just work hard. Like studying is not everything, but it is one of the most important things, and it is important that you like put effort in what you do, and the results will come on its own. You don't have to like just only focus on results. Just focus on the work that you're doing.
What about you, Pranav? What do you think according to you?
I think that all the tests and all the periodic tests and midterm exams, they do not matter as such to the actual board exam result. All they do is they are the stepping stone for you. They are the practice paper, and even the 10th standard board exams, you can think of it as practice test number 23 or something like that, because since you have done so many practice tests, you are already accustomed to it, and you will do well in board exams.
So how do you think, especially Chitrakoota teachers have played a major role in getting this percentage for you?
Yeah, they have been a wonderful, their immense support has always been with us, and I would like to thank every one of them for their support.
What about you?
Same. The teachers always stood with us, and they handheld us to the last moment, and we are very grateful to our teachers, and we would like to express our gratitude to them.
What do you like to tell? Like, what is your next goal or objective that you are looking forward to?
I've not yet thought of it as much, but I know that my dream is something to achieve in something in science, and that is what I'm looking forward to.
Okay, is that due to some inspiration of yours?
Nothing of that sort. Like, but I, like great inspirations like APJ Abdul Kalam and other people who have achieved a lot in science, and I am just inspired by those figures, and I want to follow their path.
What about you, Pranav?
I have not thought of what to do yet, and I just want to explore what is there in studies, and I'm very happy to say that I will be taking commerce in 11th and 12th, and so my main objective is to explore what is there, and then I will decide on what to do. But whatever I do, I will be the best in what I do.
One final quick question I would want to know, what is the key for good result? Just one word from both of you.
I would say it's hard work and smart work. Not only like working hard, but you have to like do it in a smart way so that you achieve your goals in the best way possible.
One example?
I would say that good habits is the key to securing good results, and have faith in teachers, have faith in God, and it will help you succeed.
Like many people like try to like by heart stuff rather than learning what that is actually taught, and that is one of the main key issues, that they're not able to score like the good marks or like achieve what they want. So smart work here is to like understand the concept and like learn it thoroughly so that you will be able to answer even the most difficulties of questions, or also apply it in real life values.
So do you both think that the pre-board exams or the periodic tests that we had in our school really helped you all, or do you think working out on question papers helped you all?
Yeah, everything helped actually, to say. Everything was like a stepping stone. In each step we learned new things, and it finally helped us to get what.
Yeah, like I said, we should treat these papers as practice papers to the board exam. So when we practice more and more papers, like if we practice 22, 25, 30, 35 papers, then the board exam just becomes practice paper number 36. So I think practicing a lot will help.
So that's a wonderful gesture from wonderful talk from both these achievers, that one has scored 97, the other has scored 98. I must tell one more good news to all of you, that these both are also the Aryabhatta of Chitrakoota, who has scored 100 on 100 in mathematics. I want to congratulate both of you. So I know that everybody feels mathematics tough. So last question again to bother you guys. What is that one key you feel that maths can be the best to score?
So maths is not an arbitrary subject like other subjects like English or social. So there is only one right answer, right? So stick to the basics, work on your basics first, and then implement those basics in questions. Go step by step, and rather than doing long sessions of working out in maths, do short sessions of a few questions of each type, and then take break, and then like another day you can try again.
Okay, what about you, Mai? What is
I would
your
like to say, just be consistent in whatever you're doing. Yeah, maths, like it won't come in like just 1 or 2 days of practice. Yeah, like keep it, take it slow, keep it simple, and like keep it consistent, like whatever you're doing. Like rather than giving 8 hours at the last day, like if you divide it up within a week, then it will be more helpful to you. You will be able to learn even more things.
So I hope you all got it, that mathematics can be very easy if you be consistent every day in your work. I want to again congratulate both of you and thank you all for coming all the way and just, giving a wonderful talk for your juniors.
Thank you.
Thank you.